Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 22nd of September, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 2.1. We are finally back into our Big Ideas math book. You need to make sure that you have all your work on a separate sheet of notebook paper. The accelerated math, they've got practice 3.1, which is, once again, in our Big Ideas math book online. If you are struggling, please make sure you're utilizing the notes you've written down in your journal. And if you somehow can't read your notes, most of the notes are posted on Google Classroom. Remember, extra credit number 1, that is due this Friday, the 25th for math. You need to go through and you can read the post in Google Classroom about more information with that. In science, there is no homework except for the 6th period class. They need to finish their measuring length worksheet that is on paper. In social studies, there's no homework as we had our map skills quiz today. Hopefully everyone did well on that. In language arts, we have our mystery graphic organizer, which was inspired by the book Grandpa's Teeth. I highly recommend you going and taking the AR test over Grandpa's Teeth. It's an easy half-point book. It's something that will help benefit you if you're trying to make that push towards getting your AR points. Also, this mystery graphic organizer is on a sheet of paper. Most of us got that finished and completed in class, so it should be no homework there as long as you took advantage of your time. In literature, as we just talked about, your AR goal is due October 9th. You need to keep reading and taking AR tests. It's 3 weeks away. In career, now in FCS, there is none, but in careers in life, you can sit there and put time into your goal for your working on your working project. One class that we do have homework in that's not listed up here is STEM with Mr. Basham. You need to make sure that you are working on your egg drop project and getting the supplies that you need for that project. That's going to be it for this Tuesday. Hopefully everyone has a fantastic evening.